Have you ever thought about getting a tattoo but weren't sure which design to choose or how it would look on your body? Well, now you don't have to just imagine it. Introducing Pixnova AI. Its tattoo generator lets you preview any tattoo on any body part in just seconds. And the best part? It's completely free. But that's not all. Pixnova also provides powerful tools like face swapping, clothes changing, background removal, photo to anime conversion, and much more. So if you're ready to explore all these amazing tools, let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Pixnova AI. Then click on the very first search result to open it. You can also find the link in this video's description. Here you'll see Pixnova's simple, clean website, which offers numerous free tools that any content creator can use on a daily basis. Under the face swap category alone, you'll find tools for photos, videos, multi-face swaps, and batch face swaps. Beyond that, there are AI video tools such as text-to-video, image-to-video, and more. You'll also see plenty of AI fun tools like Talking Photo, Voice Cloning, Clothes Changer, and AI Tattoo Generator. In the AI Editor section, there are various image customization tools such as the Image Extender and Upscaler. You'll also discover many free AI tools here that content creators use every day. Let's start with one of the AI fun tools called AI Tattoo Generator. This tool allows you to generate every kind of tattoo and preview how it would look on any part of the body. It's a really straightforward process. Type a short prompt describing the tattoo you want, choose its style, select the body part, and simply click Generate. Within about 3 seconds, the tattoo will be created. For example, let's type Flying Raven. I'll select the black work style and choose the neck as the body part. I click Generate, and in just 2 seconds, the neck tattoo appears right in front of us, showing a flying raven. You can see the photo quality is excellent. If the result doesn't appeal to you the first time, you can generate again. Because it's completely free, there's no problem in trying multiple prompts. Let's enter another prompt. Moon phases, style geometric, and body part arm. I'll hit Generate, and boom! The moon phases tattoo on the arm has appeared. Let's generate it again. You can see it's produced a really cool design. One more tattoo, Roaring Tiger. I'll keep the style realistic and place it on the back. Look at that quality. An impressive tattoo right in front of us. Moving on to the next tool, we have AI Clothes Changer. Simply upload the image on which you'd like to change the clothing. Below, you'll type in what kind of outfit you want. For example, I'll type black dress, then click Swap Clothes. After a brief wait of just a few seconds, the clothes have changed. You'll notice there's no distortion. It's done in a very professional way, and the image quality remains excellent. Now let's look at the face swap tools. You'll see the same simple interface. First, upload the image where you want to swap faces, then upload the image containing the face you want to use. Click Start Face Swapping, and believe it or not, it does the swap in under 5 seconds. Let me remind you again, this tool is completely free, and you don't even need to sign up. Here's the result. As you can see, it does a professional, seamless job. There's no drop in quality and no distortion at all. Next up, Video Face Swap. The process is similar. You first upload the video where you want to swap the face. From here, you can select the specific part of the video you want to swap. Note that this free version only allows up to 10 seconds of video. To save time, I'll keep it at 5 seconds. After that, upload the face image you want to put into the video and click Render. Depending on the video length and your internet speed, it might take a bit longer, so just be patient. Once it's done, here's the final result. It's absolutely flawless, no distortion, no quality loss, and the face blends smoothly while staying in full HD. Overall, it looks professional. Pixnova also has several other free AI tools you can use, such as an AI background remover. Simply upload the image whose background you want to remove. The tool analyzes the image and then professionally removes the background for you. I'll download it to show you the result. You can see that it perfectly removes the background without lowering the image quality, just like you might do in Photoshop. Let's try out one last tool, Photo to Anime Converter. Upload the image you want to convert into anime. You'll see 3 different models to choose from. Their results are quite similar, so there isn't a huge difference. Pick any model and click Generate. In about 2 or 3 seconds, your image is turned into anime, and the quality is great. Now, I'll just say that Pixnova is a tool hub, offering plenty of tools for free that you'd normally have to pay for on other websites. It can boost your content creation game without charging you a penny, so make sure to try it out. The link is in the description, where you can access it easily. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload informative videos like this on a daily basis. See you in the next video.